Hello, my name's Vincent and welcome to V's Restoration Report. I am the owner of V's Cave, CAV, which is a collectible antique vintage emporium online, and I'm here to go through and show you my attempt at restoration. This frame came to me from a friend. It's a 19th century gilt wooden frame, and I'm going to go through the restoration process with you, which I have just learned. So this is my first restoration. So what needs to be restored? As you can see along the sides here, all the gilding has come away. There are cracks, and there are some pieces missing. Now, I need to explain that I've already started the cleaning, and I'm going to show you some photographs of what the frame originally looked like, and I'll show you the cleaning products that I used to bring it to this point. So first let's have a look at the photographs of the actual pictures. So let's have a look. Yep, that's originally it was extremely dirty, as you can see along here, all the dirt. I have actually taken it out of it, the picture out of the frame, because obviously I don't want to damage, and I'm not going to be working on the actual painting itself. I will, however, be re-gilding the inner frame. This just shows some of the damage, and this white is called gesso or gesso. It's Gesso, and see how filthy it is in here. This is original. This is part of the way through cleaning. This is before. This is after. And here you can see before and after. I think that should be clear. Yeah, before, after. Excellent. So, what did I use to clean this frame? Well, rubber gloves are necessary because this is a conservative soap. It is highly concentrated, and when you dilute it, you dilute at a minimum of 10 parts to 1, but up to 20 parts to 1. Obviously you will need mixing equipment, Pyrex. Do not be tempted to use plastics or anything that could actually absorb any of the chemicals. You will need cotton buds. Buy them in bulk. You will go through them. Microfiber cloths to apply the solution. Should you need it, some wire wool and a soft bristle toothbrush. This will get into those very tiny, tight parts that the cotton bud will not get into. Now, with the conservative soap, when you dilute it, you have two options. You can either use water or you can use white spirit. This is a water gilded frame, so putting water into the solution would probably end up lifting a lot of this gilding. So, for me, white spirits. A little warning about the conservative soap. Make sure you are wearing gloves, even when you're mixing, because even I got tempted and used my finger to whack the edge of the bottle when I finished pouring, and I had a burn mark there for a week. So next we'd have to do repairs, so I'm going to need to find some bits of wood, so I'm going to need some wood glue for the next stage. And just to introduce you to the pieces that I'm going to be using in the future. The steps. After cleaning and the repair, there's 2 repairs as you saw, I pointed out to you earlier, you have to layer on certain parts before you get to the gilding. They're called the gesso, or gesso, whichever way you want to pronounce it, and bowl. Now, gesso is made from this, also called whiting. To make the gesso, you use whiting and rabbit skin glue. Rabbit skin glue will be used in the final 3 processes. So that makes your gesso. That is the white part. Now, when I showed you the photographs, you may have seen some red showing through. That is the bowl. The bowl is a clay that the gold leaf will stick to. But that clay needs something to stick to itself, and it can't stick very well to the frame, which is why we have the gesso. This is the bowl. Now you can get this ready mixed, ready made, but I'm going to be making this up myself, and again use the rabbit skin glue. When it comes to the gold leaf, again I'll be using rabbit skin glue to attach the gold leaf. Also, a good quality brush. Now this is a squirrel hair, I believe. Look at that, look how soft that is. You don't want to skimp on your brushes. I've been told by lots of conservators, do not skimp on the brushes, because when you're actually applying the gold leaf and you're applying the various parts to the frame, you want to use the best quality materials, because then they won't damage the actual application. Right, so what's going to be happening is you're going to be following me through the rest of this restoration, and succeed or fail, you're going to be with me the whole way. So thank you for tuning in for my introduction. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next week. Bye.